How to check your betting history on 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app on your device and log in using your credentials. Next, tap on the history button located in the bottom bar. This section stores all your active and past bets. Here you will see a list of your recent bets with details such as the match, bet type and amount. To view more details about any bet, simply tap on it. You can then check the status, potential winnings, and the final outcomes if the event is finished. If you want to check your full betting history, use the data range option usually found at the top of the page. This helps you filter bets by date, type, or status. Besides your bet history, you can also explore TOTO history, Autobet history, Unsettled Bets, and even hide your history if you prefer. Remember, regularly checking your betting history helps you keep track of your performance and manage your betting activity wisely. And that's it. Now you know how to check your betting history on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.